Hey guys, we are going to use our 10 frames to help us subtract today. So we're going to do 16 minus 5. So put 16 dots in here. And then we're going to cross off 5. So there's 16. And if I take my pencil and I X out 5, how many are left? Good, it's 11. All right, so I'm going to get you started on the next one, and then I want you to do that one all by yourself. So if we have 18 filled up on our 10 frame, and we cross off 3, how many are left? Yeah, we have 15 left. Okay, so we did 2 problems together, and then I want you to push pause and do the other 2 problems by yourself, and then turn the page over to the back. Okay, here we are on the back. So remember our strategy to go through and find the easy ones first and then go back through and do the hard ones. So the first thing we can look for is numbers on the number line that are neighbors. And when you have neighbors subtracting by each other, then you know that the answer is going to be 1. So I just want you to look through each row and find all of the neighbors on the number line and subtract those, and they equal 1. See how many there are? Really good job. And then once you do that, I want you to go back through and find all of the minus 1s, because you know that when it's a minus 1, it's just going to be the number before on the number line. So like this. And then after you find all of the minus 1s, go and find a minus 2 and have your number line to help you with those. So you're doing really good, boys and girls. You're really doing an excellent job on your rocket math and finding all of the math facts. So keep up the good work.